Hello everyone, welcome to my video on C++ program to copy contents of a file. To copy a file, the problem definition can be like this. To write a C++ program to copy the contents of given file to another file. So the concept is like this. There is one source file which is of course a text file. From this text file you have to read the contents, that is the read operation on the source file we are going to perform. At a time one line will be read from this source file and will be stored in the buffer line, that is an array of characters, and then this read line will be written into destination file using a write operation on a file. So like this, there are two files involved. One is source file, another is destination file. The source file is assumed to be an existing file and the destination file will be a new file. So you have to read one line at a time from a source file and write it into the destination file, and the process will be continued up to the end of file. So let us see the complete C++ program to copy the contents of given file to another file. So this is a C++ program created in dev C++ compiler. So you have to include the required header files iostream and fstream. Then in the main program, here the declaration is the line for reading a line from a file, then src file for storing source file name, and dest file is for storing destination file name. Let us accept both file names, that is source file name and destination file name, using scene src file and scene dest file. Will require one stream output stream object, that is fout of ofstream class. Using this fout output stream class stream object, open the destination file in output mode. Then we'll also require one input stream object, that is fin of ifstream class. Using this input stream object fin, open the source file using open function, src file that is in input mode. Let us check whether the source file is existing or not using this if condition. If not, fin, and if this condition is true, then display the error message, error opening in source file, and exit from the program. If the file is existing, then set a while loop, that is while fin.eof is equal to 0. This loop, this condition is checking whether the end of file character has occurred or not in the source file. If EOF has detected, then it will return 1 value, and if EOF is not detected, then it will return 0 value. So here fin.eof is equal to 0 means EOF is not detected. Then it will read from one line from a source file using getLine function. So getLine member function is called using fin stream object, and the line will be stored in a line array and as per the size calculated. The same line will be written into the destination file. The here destination file is represented by this fout stream object, and then at the end the new line character will be inserted. So like this, here this while loop will read one line from a source file and will write the same line into the destination file, and like this line by line read and write operations will be performed on source and destination files simultaneously unless and until the end of file character is not detected. Once the end of file is detected, this loop will be terminated and the file will be copied successfully. You have to close the source file and destination files and complete the program. Return 0, end of the program. So this is the complete C++ program. Let us run this program and let us check whether it is displaying the contents. Source file. So here I am entering the source file name as XYZ, destination file ABC. So here error opening in XYZ file, it shows that the source file which is entered XYZ is not existing. So now I will show in my folder the existing files, and here the existing file is this, that is abc.txt, and I will show you the contents. The contents of abc.txt file are like this, line 1 to line 10, and I will copy this file into another file named suppose xyz. So let us run the program and provide that abc.txt file as an source file. So I will enter now abc.txt is source file and xyz.txt as a destination file. So here the file, as I already shown you that abc.txt already existing in my folder, the file is copied successfully as xyz.txt. Let us check whether xyz.txt file is created or not in the folder. Yes, this is the xyz.txt. You can see the contents, that line 1 to line 10. I will show you the contents of abc also. So here you can see the both files are available, that is xyz and abc. So here you can verify. So this is your source file, line 1 to line 10 lines are there, and these lines are copied into the destination file xyz as it is, like this. Let us hope you understood how to copy a source file into destination file line. Thank you for watching my video on C++ program to copy a text file.